12.7, that is a thermodynamic state variable. Thermodynamic state variables and equation of state. Okay, now state variable. So what is a state variable? See, equilibrium state of thermodynamic system is completely described by specific value of some macroscopic variable called state variable. Okay, definition base पर ये पूरा topic, so we'll write down the definition and clear out it. Okay, the first one, that is state variables. What is the state variable? Equilibrium state of a thermodynamic system. Equilibrium state of a thermodynamic system is completely described by specific value of some macroscopic variable called state variables. For example, equilibrium state of a gas is completely specified by value of pressure, volume and temperature. Right? Equilibrium state of gas. Equilibrium state of gas is defined by this three: pressure, volume, temperature and mass. Okay, and its equation is defined as, or it is also known as, equation of state, that is equal to PV is equal to mu RT. Okay, next इसमें ही एक point है, that is a mu is a number of mole, R is a gas constant, pressure, volume and temperature, and pressure volume curve is fixed for fixed temperature. Pressure volume curve, that is, it is a graph for a fixed temperature is called isotherm. Okay, now इसमें ही है another two properties, that is thermodynamic state variable are of two types. They are divided into two parts. Okay, extensive and intensive. Extensive and intensive. Okay. Imagine that a system in equilibrium is divided into two equal parts. The variable at the same unchanged for the each part are intensive. So it is a definition of intensive. What is the intensive? The system in equilibrium is divided into two equal parts. Divided into two equal parts. The variable that remain unchanged. The variable that remain unchanged for each part. These are called intensive. Okay, and variable whose value get half in each part, and here you can say that the variables whose values get half in each part, they are called extensive. Okay, so extensive में होगा internal energy, volume, total mass are the extensive variable, and pressure, temperature and density are intensive variable. राइट फ्रेंड्स, तो ये टॉपिक थोड़ा थियोरेटिकल था, इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, बट इट इज़ फॉर योर नॉलेज.